All right, so we're going to be working on our passage. I believe that's going to be for Thursday. So that's Unit 5, Week 1. All right. I don't have this as a page, just right on paper, so I can't write on this. But I do want you to go through and look for all the words that have AR, R controlled R as in star. So that would be one, and then that would be one. And here we go. I'm going to trust you to go through and find all of those words. Then I need you to come down here and I need you to fill in the boxes with those words. Now, please remember, if you don't have this page and you're like me and you're just using your screen, that's fine. On a piece of paper, it can be scratch paper, notebook paper, anything. Go ahead and write those words. You can do the same thing with dictation. Just write it down anywhere. That way you're not like spending a lot of ink trying to print it. All right, so this one says charm scarves. The first time that I'm going to read it, boys and girls, I'm going to read slowly, and then I'll read it one more time with a little bit more fluency, more fluently. Ready? Carly makes scarves. Each scarf has only one kind of yarn. Carly sells these scarves at her shop. Carly is neat and tidy. She keeps yarn in 4 large baskets. Each has only one kind of yarn. Carly's kitten, Charm, likes the yarn. He starts to tug yarn from each basket. The yarn gets mixed up. Carly tries hard to make the yarn tidy. She tugs this part and that part. None of the yarn will untie. Carly cuts and cuts. She must put the yarn bits in a round basket. How will Carly make scarves now? She thinks up a smart plan. Carly makes red scarves with dots. She makes scarves with green dots. She calls them charm scarves. People visit the scarf shop. They like the charm scarves a lot. Now Carly mixes up yarn all the time. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read this. Good. A little bit more fluently. Ready? And remember, fluently is more like the way we talk. Carly makes scarves. Each scarf has only one kind of yarn. Carly sells these scarves at her shop. Carly is neat and tidy. She keeps yarn in 4 large baskets. Each has only one kind of yarn. Carly's kitten Charm likes the yarn. He starts to tug yarn from each basket. The yarn gets mixed up. Carly tries hard to make the yarn tidy. She tugs this part and that part. None of the yarn will untie. Carly cuts and cuts. She must put the yarn bits in a round basket. How will Carly make scarves now? She thinks up a smart plan. Carly makes red scarves with dots. She makes scarves with green dots. She calls them charm scarves. People visit the scarf shop. They like the charm scarves a lot. Now Carly mixes up yarn all of the time, or all the time. Good. Make sure you illustrate the story on the back. So you can draw a picture of Carly and her cat getting all mixed up with the different yarn, and maybe even go ahead and draw a couple of scarves with the different dots. That would be really, really cool. Remember to choose one of these words so that you can write a sentence with it. If you've got extra time, choose 2, 3 words to write a sentence. If you have even more time, go ahead and write what happened in the story, incorporating as many words that have AR in them as you possibly can. And you can go ahead and send that to me. Remember, you can write that on notebook paper. You can write that down on, if you have the packet, on like the packet. Yeah, any way that you can do it. All right. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.